Hola my lovely friends, I'm Blanco and today we're gonna talk about positioning of objects in space. We're not gonna talk about outer space, Paco. It's a lesson about preposition of place. How many times someone asked you about position of something in your surrounding, maybe even in your Spanish course, and you knew the answer, you knew all the words, but you couldn't respond? Spanish course somewhere in Madrid. ¿Dónde está el cine? El cine está. I don't know how to say it. 10 minutes later, her friend finally found it on the internet. I didn't help again. I'm so ashamed. Well, if that's the case, this lesson is for you, my friend. Today I have my blackboard again. I mean, my whiteboard. So confusing. Anyway, in Spanish it's called pizarra. I will draw for you all the prepositions of place and later we will practice with it. You can determine position of something relating it to another object using de. For example, el vaso está encima de la mesa. El vaso está encima de la mesa. As you might notice, we used estar to tell the position. It's well explained in a lesson about this verb. I put a link in the top right corner as well as at the end of this video. So, we have the tools to tell the position, so it probably would be nice to also know how to ask. The question is, ¿dónde está? Let's practice a bit. El perro está dentro de la caja. En España, conducimos por la derecha. La bicicleta está delante de la tienda. That's it for today, guys. I hope you found this lesson worthwhile, or at least entertaining. If so, please leave a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!